Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Midlands Investor, your one-stop shop for all things investing and personal finance. Have you ever heard of the FTSE 100? Have you read about it in the news but not sure exactly what it means? Or what it represents? What is the average return over the long term? Should I consider investing now as a beginner investor? These may be just some of the questions you have as a beginner investor here in the UK. In this video, we will provide an overview of the FTSE 100, explore its history and performance, and discuss why investors may want to consider investing in this index. So first and foremost, what is the FTSE 100? The FTSE 100 is an index of the largest 100 companies listed on the London Stock Exchange based upon market capitalisation. The index was created in 1984 and is maintained by the Financial Times Stock Exchange, hence the FTSE or FTSE. The index is weighted by market capitalisation, meaning that the largest company in the index have a greater impact on its performance than smaller companies. The performance of the FTSE 100 has actually been mixed in recent years. From 2011 to 2015, the index experienced steady growth, with annual returns ranging from 5.8% to 12.5%. However, in 2016, the index experienced a decline of 4.9%, largely due to concerns over Brexit. In 2017 and 2018, the index rebounded, with returns of 7.6% and negative 3.5% respectively. In 2019, the index had a strong performance, with returns of 12.1%. The COVID-19 pandemic caused a significant drop in the index in the early 2020, but it has since recovered, with returns of 16.5% in 2020 and 11.2% in 2021. So why would you want to invest in the FTSE 100 then if it's so volatile? Well, actually, investing in the FTSE 100 can provide investors with exposure to a range of companies in various sectors, including healthcare, finance, and energy. This diversification can help to reduce risk in a portfolio. In addition, the FTSE 100 has historically provided strong long-term returns. According to data from the LSE, the index has returned an average of 5.3% per year from its inception in 1984 to the end of 2020. Investors can invest in the FTSE 100 through a variety of products, including exchange-traded funds, mutual funds, and individual stocks. Investors can purchase ETFs and mutual funds that track the performance of the FTSE 100. These funds allow investors to gain exposure to the index without having to purchase individual stocks. Alternatively, investors can purchase individual stocks in the companies listed on the FTSE 100. There are several trading platforms that allow investors to invest in the FTSE 100. One of the popular options is Hargreaves Lansdown, the UK-based investment platform that provides a range of investment products and services to individual investors. Another option is AJ Bell, which pretty much offers a similar service. And lastly, Vanguard, which is the one that I use, is an investment management company headquartered in the US, offers a variety of ETFs that track the performance of the FTSE 100 too. So the FTSE 100 is an index of the largest 100 companies listed on the London Stock Exchange based upon market capitalisation. It is widely used benchmark for the UK stock market and has historically provided strong long-term returns. Investors can invest in the FTSE 100 through a variety of products, including ETFs, mutual funds, and individual stocks, through trading platforms such as Hargreaves Lansdown, AJ Bell, and Vanguard. Now, let's take a look at the historical returns of the FTSE 100. The FTSE 100 has a history of providing solid returns over the long term. However, like any investment, the FTSE 100 has had its ups and its downs over the years. For example, in 2008, during the global financial crisis, the index lost over 31% of its value. However, it has since recovered and delivered strong returns since then. To give an example of the potential returns you could expect from investing in the FTSE 100 index, let's assume that you invest £1,000 in the index today and hold your investment for 10, 20, 30, and then 50 years. If we assume that the average annual return of the FTSE 100 index remains at 7.5%, which is the long-term historical average, then your investment would be worth approximately £2,980 after 10 years, £7,440 after 20 years, £18,580 after 30 years, and £107,310 after 50 years. Wow. Of course, it's important to remember that past performance is no guarantee of future returns, and that investing always comes with risks. However, these numbers give an indication of the long-term potential of investing in the FTSE 100 index. So therefore, in conclusion, investing in the FTSE 100 index can be a smart way to build wealth over the long term. The index provides exposure to a diversified portfolio of the UK's largest and most established companies, which can help to mitigate some of the risks associated with investing in individual stocks. Additionally, the index has a history of providing solid returns over the long term, making it an attractive option for investors looking to grow their wealth. As with any investment, it's really important that you do your research, assess your risk tolerance, and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And once again, that's it. Thank you for watching. I've been the Millions Investor. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you really enjoy this content, as it really helps out the channel, and I'll see you again next time.